I love this look. I love this look so much that I wish that every time I sprayed this, it would transform me into this look. Hi, I'm Natasha.
And hey there, I'm Helen, and today we are going to base a look off of Tom Ford's Lost Cherry fragrance. I've heard this is just totally gorgeous. I really want to smell it.
Beautiful. Are you ready for this?
Oh my gosh.
Instantly, you smell the black cherry.
Beautiful. Okay, so for this look, I feel like a black cherry smoky eye is gonna look so good on you. Something that just really like brings out the fragrance and how it's like
the drama.
It's like, yeah, sexy, dramatic showstopper.
Yes.
And then whenever I think of black cherry, I always think of something like really shiny. So I feel like we should give your lip a really like nice shiny finish.
Love it. I'm excited.
Okay. To get the depth at the lash line that we want, I'm going to use Patrick Ta's Burgundy Liner. This is such a rich, beautiful color. And I'm going to use a lot of it at the lash line because I really want to get the ultimate depth to be just right along there, and then we'll fade it out from there. And then I feel like it's really important to also kind of pull it outwards and upwards to really give it that like just dramatic effect. And then I'm also taking the number 22 eyeliner brush and just fading out the edges. Okay, next up we have a gorgeous palette by Natasha DENONA called the Retro Palette. And this is stunning. It has such beautiful shades. I think I'm gonna go with the deepest one in here, which is Rebellion. And we're just gonna smoke it out from there. Maybe do some Amara. And I love this like Andy psychedelic glitz. So we're gonna see where the day takes us. Okay, now I'm going right over this with this beautiful shade Rebellion, which is a little bit more red than that burgundy liner. So it's really kind of like fading out beautifully. And I'm using the number 13 brush. And once you have kind of the shadow on and the shape you want, you can start fading the edges a little bit. I like to drop my shadow pretty low. I love these shadows. They are super pigmented and just really easy to get the payoff you want. And I really want to create this like rounded effect on your lid. So I'm going to use the shade Amara to just fade everything out. So pretty. It kind of has like this 20s vibe to it, which I feel like this shade sort of lends itself to that, you know? Those burgundies.
Yes.
But this shape is kind of...
I feel like in the 20s too, they did like a deeper lip.
Yes,
right?
Exactly. I feel like they did the lip and the eyes together, which I feel
and
like
the
you
hair
can really pull that off. So we're going to go for it.
We're committed.
Okay, so I'm going to use the shade Psychedelic. It's so gorgeous. You want to try some?
Yes.
It's so beautiful. It has this like almost blue flecks to it.
It's gonna,
and I think as a topper,
it's gonna give a wet cherry look.
Yes, a wet cherry look, exactly. It's like this really beautiful shiny effect. And I feel like with all of these glitter tones, it just works best when you apply it with your fingers. So I'm just gonna pop it on right on this corner. So good. It's catching the light. It's so gorgeous.
Would you say it's show-stopping?
I would.
Okay, good.
Okay, so I feel like we have all of like the cherry aspects to this, and now I really want to add that like depth, so the black cherry into it. So I'm going to add some mascara and some lashes behind the scenes.
BRB.
All right, we have the lashes on, the drama is there. Now we're gonna add a soft cheek. So I'm going to use the Rose Ink Heliotrope. This is such a gorgeous color, and I feel like I want to go subtle with the color on your cheek because we're gonna bring even more drama when it comes to your lip.
I'm blushing now, Helen.
Beautiful, really subtle. And now I wanna go into that like really dark, shiny lip. Okay, for this look, I'm going to use Makeup Forever's Aqua Lip. This is a really nice, like deep tone, but because I wanna make it shiny, I'm gonna use something waterproof first. So just going right in, we're gonna fill in your whole lip with this color. And definitely when you're doing a darker lip, you wanna make sure that you have great shape. So I always go from the bottom, or the corner of the lip rather, up, and that's gonna give you a rounded effect. And because this is waterproof, I'm going to use the number 85 brush just to make sure it's all blended. I feel like people don't always think to wear like a dark eye and a dark lip, but I feel like it's just so striking and beautiful. This just totally looks really, really gorgeous together. I feel like the two colors, they both reflect cherry tones, but they're not identical. They're not too matchy-matchy, which I really like. I smile tight like that, actually. That's perfect. So it's good to smile all the way across, because if you have any like gaps from the lines in your lip, it just helps to fill those in. Gorgeous. All right, so I want to get into that high shine effect. We're going to use the Tower 28 gloss. These are really stunning because they don't have a lot of color to them. That's like a hint of color, but it really, I mean, look at that. It is so shiny. This is really giving that cherry effect. Oh my God. Woo! It's like a lacquer. It's so beautiful.
I love this formula.
All right, it is time for the big reveal. Are you ready to see yourself?
I'm so ready, but I need to put some respect to my name. Let me take out my hair clips.
Oh yes, this is true. This is true. You need the full effect.
I need the full effect.
All right,
Okay.
Gorgeous.
I'm ready. Just give me. Helen, you have outdone yourself.
It's stunning.
I love this look. I love this look so much that I wish that every time I sprayed this, it would transform me into this look.
It's
How do I make
magical.
that happen?
I know, truly.
Yeah, I think I
Gorgeous.
just need to have you in my back pocket at all times. This makes me want to model with a bottle.
Love it. If you guys like this look too, you can shop the shelf below. And until next time, bye.